I'm Wayne Evans, I'm the Service Desk Supervisor. I've worked at Red for over 5 years. Red is the largest global staffing agency that specialises in the SAP ecosystem, and we have 6 offices globally. When I first came to Red, we had an on-premise system that meant that I had to manually go to a PC, drag and drop the screens that we needed for our display system, and it was very time consuming because I had to do it for the London office, for the German office, and it would just take up all our time, and it was just a nightmare to deal with. And I thought to myself, there must be a better solution out there. Out of all the other systems, I came across ScreenCloud. And I just found that it was so robust, very simple, very user-friendly, and I just thought it's a win-win situation, so let's try and trial it and get that in place. We tend to have different avenues. For example, we might have new starters, so HR would upload the new starter information and then that will get uploaded onto the screen. If there's internal information regarding incentives, then the marketing team would be involved in that and make sure that that's on screen as well. Once we had ScreenCloud, we was able to really expand what we could put on the screens, from JPEGs to videos to websites. And that really opened up exactly what we could do with it. So now it's just allowed us to really have a more flashy, more interactive, more user-friendly approach for the whole business to be informed, so that we can just inform everybody at the same time. This is happening right now. We've got a new starter. They've just joined right now. So it just makes that interaction with the users, with the company, just that more friendly. It's a simple, robust, cost-effective, innovative system. It's a no-brainer.